Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. Today you might be thinking why am I so happy, right? Because I have got an opportunity to review a luxury car brand. It is available throughout the world and it is a German brand, and every car enthusiast wishes at least once to drive that vehicle or at least once to go in that vehicle. And the car brand which I am going to review today is BMW. I didn't tell you which is the vehicle, and let me show you the vehicle. This is the BMW 520d, which I am going to review today. Let me show you the three-dimensional view of this car. Next, let's talk about the key of the vehicle. This is the key of the vehicle. This is the smart key. Sorry, because it got off. And this is the key. Swipe up and it gets the features, that is to open and close the windows, doors, air conditioning controls and other features. Unfortunately, it misses out on the features of the remote parking. Let's open the engine bay of the vehicle right away. Obviously, it gets hydraulic stretch and big insulation given over here. And this is the beautiful engine of the BMW. It's written twin power turbo. These are the strut bars to keep the engine safe, and the engine is pushed towards the cabin. The engine is a 1995cc 4-cylinder inline 4 valves DOHC engine, and the engine type is a BMW twin power turbo technology. This is a diesel. Let's talk about the power outputs. The max power output is 188 bhp at 4000 rpm. The max torque output is 400 Nm at 1750 rpm. Let me close the engine bay of the vehicle. Let's talk about the front design of the vehicle. These are the headlights of the vehicle, and it gets projector setups and LED DRLs. Below it gets parking sensors, front parking sensors, but it does not get a headlamp washer unit. These are the below lights which are also an LED unit and also get a cornering function, and this is the huge BMW's grille, signature grille. It gets a chrome finish around it. That is all for the front design. Next, let's move on to the side. Before moving to the side, let me tell one thing, that this hood is very long. Next, let's move on to the side of the vehicle. So as we come to the side, first let's check the tire size of the vehicle. This gets a massive alloy that looks very good, and let's check the tire size. The tire size is 245/45 R18s. These are 18 inches with BMW logo given over here. Just look at the size of the disc, it's just massive. And as we come to this side, get some sporty elements over here, and it's written sport line so that you don't forget which is the model. For the ORVMs of the vehicle, these are electrically adjustable and electrically retractable also. Gets a LED DRL over here, indicators, and it's a dual tone, white on the top and black below it. And as we come this side, let's talk about the door handles. The door handle, it gets a chrome line over here in between, and here it gets a chrome line which starts from there and continues till here. Next, let's move on to the back of the vehicle. As we come to the back, first let's check the tail lights of the vehicle. These are the tail lights of the vehicle. It is also an all LED unit. Doesn't it look sporty indeed? And these are the reflectors, parking sensors given here. This is the reverse parking camera. Above is the BMW logo. This is the spoiler also given to add a sporty look to the vehicle. These are the twin exhaust, and this is the towing hook of the vehicle. There is also another line given over here in piano black finishing. Let's check the boot carrying capacity of the vehicle. It can also be opened from here, which is an electric tailgate, and also can be opened from the smart key. And the boot is open right now. It's a large boot over here as you can see, and the boot carrying capacity is 530 liters. Let's check the spare wheel below, and this is the spare wheel of the vehicle. And in the boot it gets a light over here. On the other side, here it gets a hook to hang your things, and here you get the first aid kit. This is the warning triangle of the vehicle, and insulation is also provided over here. Let me close the boot of the vehicle right now, and the boot is closed right now, and the rear windshield gets a defogger and a shark fin antenna over there as you can see. So friends, next let's move on to the back seat of the vehicle. Let's check the space at the rear. Legroom, superb. Under thigh support, superb. Headroom, awesome. And it gets a scooped out seat bags with magazine holders over here. In the middle, we get an AC vents which can be adjusted from the back itself. Here we get some space, also below some space. Here there's a cigarette lighter. In center we get a light which can be on and off, and here on the top we get a handle as well as a hook. Here also we get a hook, and the door handles also finished in leather. Even the seats are finished in leather. Door handle is finished in silver finishing, and the window gets one touch up down feature. Like this. And also a sun visor over here. Let me show you. Here also, but it's not electrically adjustable. All the headrests are adjustable in the vehicle. It gets a center armrest over here with two cup holders over here. It gets a center headrest. This is the front dashboard of the vehicle. It is a dual tone dashboard. Next, let's move on to the front of the vehicle. First, let's talk about the steering of the vehicle. This is the steering wheel of the vehicle. It's a leather wrapped unit. Here you get, it's a 3-spoke one, and it get paddle shifters also as you can see. And here cruise control and other things. On the other side, the mode, volume controls, call button, and for this is for the voice command. And on the left side we get the headlight controls, and on the other side we get the wiper controls. And when we enter the car, the steering goes up so that we can sit inside easily, and when we close the door, the steering comes down to the normal position. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. While the door is open, it remains off, and when the door is closed, it comes to life. Wait a minute. Yeah, and it rose to life. This is a full digital unit. On the left side we get the fuel gauge, and on the right side we get the temperature gauge, and on the left side it is a speedometer. On the right side we get the RPM meter. In the center we get the MID, that is the multi information display, and here is the gear selector. In which gear are we now? Comfort. It is in comfort mode right now. This is the center console of the vehicle. This is the massive screen as you can see. Here we get drive about the vehicle status, and it also gets gesture controls like this. If you do like this, see, these are the AC vents. Here you get the hazard light switch below. In fact, there's a CD player also. This is to select the audio controls, and below is the air conditioning controls. It's a 4-zone climate control, auto climate control. Below you get some storage space with 2 cup holders and one cigarette lighter over here. This is the gear selector of the vehicle. These options over here are for the screen, and it gets electronic parking brake. This is for turning on and turning off the parking sensors. These are the modes: Comfort, Sport, Eco Pro, and this is the button to turn off traction control. This is the center armrest. Let's check the armrest of the vehicle. This is the center armrest. There's sufficient space enough, and there's also a light. This is the ambient lighting inside the vehicle. As you can see, the brightness can be increased and can be decreased. The light color also can be changed like this. As you can see, the color is being changed. There's many colors also with the vehicle. And this is the inside auto dimming inside rear view mirror, and these are the controls for the inside light. As you can see, this to turn on like this, and it gets a sunroof also over here. We'll come to that in a bit, and before that we'll check the co-driver sun visor. It gets a light, also a mirror, same as the case over here in the driver side. It gets a light as well as a mirror. Let's take the sunroof of the vehicle right away. And it's a massive sunroof. So friends, as usual, I can't drive the vehicle, so let me try starting the vehicle. First time I am sitting in a BMW and I am getting a chance to start a BMW. So let us start the BMW right now. And there you go, it rose to life. There's no much cabin noise inside, of course, as it is a BMW. So friends, now we have come to an end of this vlog. Before leaving, I have to tell that this is an awesome vehicle, absolutely phenomenal. A BMW is a BMW, and my dream of reviewing a BMW has come true today finally. So if you like my video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.